rambutan. Lisa and Zoe are eating rambutan because it's rambutan. And this is the rambutan jewel on Zoe's shirt. Look at that. And Lisa is now currently going to fit 4 rambutan into her mouth in one time.
I might vomit.
She might vomit.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Oh, that's really big. It's dripping down my face.
If you just put them back in there, you're going to cry. Oh my God. How many could she do? That's 3? That's 3? One more, Lisa. You can do it. You've got enough room to talk.